I don't know what the devil means. It means it's for me and you.
What's the good thing we're hiking? I don't know what these markers mean, but it's a love story. Yeah.
Being out here on a new trail, one we've never been on before.
Woodpeckers have, I think they've buried things in there.
Oh, the woodpeckers did that?
Stuff for food for the winter. Little spots. Could be pigs.
Like
it could
wild
be deer
hogs?
too. Yeah. It's all over the place. Could be bears.
I hope we see a bear.
I don't know if it's a game trail.
I wonder where that goes. That looks like a human trail instead of a game trail. It's a good thing we've got all these blazes to tell us where to go. What do you hear? What is it? What is it? What do you hear? What is it?
Do you hear water?
Water? I was trying to be quiet because I thought we were going to scare something away. It's beautiful. There's a bunch of these bears. This maple pine cone on it. What did you find? What was that? Did you hear it? What kind of bird was that?
It was either turkey vulture or turkey. Wild turkey, I couldn't tell.
At first it sounded like the tree was falling down.
There's three of them, but two of them went that way, and the other one, I don't know. It's probably turkey vultures, but they kind of, I didn't get a good enough look at them. I mean, it could have been turkeys, but.
They're noisy.
We gotta turn around.
Okay.
Got an hour to go. Not an hour, something like
How much sunlight do we have left?
about 40 minutes. So it's completely dark.
Right, 1 being the best, 3 being your least favorite. Which do you rate this portion of the trail?
I mean, this is new, so I kind of like it, but Two Penny Bridge would be the first, and then the section on
Off of 20?
Highway 20, the 2, and then this one.
I think I would rate it Trailhead Highway 21, Penny Bridge 2, and this one 3.
You know, like all the that creek that we followed.
I do like that though.
Sit down on the water.
Where we had our potato soup.
Yeah. Puffwood Bridge. All the water.
Yeah. Okay, I take it back.
Yeah, I knew you forgot about that. You see this branch here?
What is it?
Come over here. Look underneath at it so you can see it. The sky gives it the contrast.
Oh, I see it, but the camera's not picking it up.
Is that hair? Do you see?
No, yeah, I see it. There.
How would there be long hair up there?
There it is. It's just dangling there.
What made me notice was this pile of debris right here. Why is that there? You see what I'm talking about?
What is that?
It looks like a big pile of timber. Yeah. And so I'm like looking around like, did a tree fall? And somebody removed it, but there's no evidence of a tree. So then I look up, and right here is pine needles dangling from this branch, wrapped up in what looks like long hair.
It's Bigfoot.
What is that?
I don't know.
Is it on? It's on all these.
Really?
You see this?
Mm-hmm.
Are these old spider webs?
No.
Are these banana spiders?
Pull one down and we'll look at
Oh,
it.
I'm not touching it. I'd rather it be hair than spider webs.
I can't reach it.
Is it old, like, old weaver spider web that's so strong that it's just stayed? It's everywhere. Oh yeah, it's up here in these trees.
The tree is producing it,
But
it does look like hair.
I'll bet it's old spider webs.
No, it's black.
Well, maybe it's oxidizing or something. Maybe it changes, it's decaying over time from last year.
Oh, bird. I can see your book bag. If I was just hiking along and I saw that, I would take off running. Oh, until we're at the car? How much time till the sun goes down?
Pretty close to the same amount of time.
We can do it. made it.